good friends, here's what I want to basically share with you guys with respect to this. There's a lot of examples that we can share of how God works for us, with us, and through us to not just save ourselves, but to work to be a light for others. So I want to share this quick thought with you and open it up for a conversation and discussion. All right, and it goes as follows.
Hey there, my name's Tim McDonald, and I'm the lead pastor at Westside of Jesus Church in Portland, Oregon. The passage we're going to be looking at today is Zephaniah 3:17, and it says this: "The Lord your God is with you, the mighty warrior who saves. He will take great delight in you. In his love, he will no longer rebuke you, but will rejoice over you with singing." What a beautiful image, this warrior king, this warrior God who's on top of everything, singing over his people. You get this picture of almost this fatherly sense of pulling people in as he's fighting on their behalf. What's fascinating about this verse is that it comes at the tail end of a very difficult message that Zephaniah had to give.